Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add search bar in Google Sites. So once you're on Google Sites and you're on your website, we can now obviously add our search bar. Now for some reason, Google Sites doesn't have the option to enter in the search bar by default. What we're going to actually have to do is go and embed our own search bar in there. But don't worry, I've got the code for you. All you need to do is embed it. So I'm going to delete this one and we're going to embed a new one together. So go ahead and click on embed and go to embed code. And if you go to the description of the video, I'll go ahead and leave this code now. With this code, you don't need to edit anything but one thing. So go ahead and find where it says enter website URL. And this is where you need to enter your website URL. So it would be a good idea probably to go ahead and view your published site first. And here you can get your URL of your website. So I'm going to copy this website URL here. Now, what we can do is we can go to embed code and we can paste it in a code that I will put in the description below. So we'll copy that code, we'll paste it, and then we need to replace this with the website URL. So we've got our website open. We can now copy the URL and then paste it in here. Now we have done that, we can click next and insert, and it should then insert this search bar, which we can resize here and move wherever we want on the page. I'm just going to center it, I guess. So now we have done that, we can now go ahead and publish this. So click on publish and publish again. Now let's view our website with our search bar. So here is our search bar. Once it loads, you can then search for anything. So let's search, for example, for this, and it should then search for it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.